everyone, welcome to Make a Card Monday. Today is a busy bee day. These are so stinking cute. I ended up coloring 2 sets of these and made a bonus card. But these are some cute little stamps of some cute little bees smiling and laughing and being silly. And I thought they would make a really cute card, and they did. Actually, I got 2 cute cards. I couldn't stand it. I had to do 2. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp these out. I'm going to be using my Prismacolor pencils and with my Gamsol. And I'm just going to do 2 on each paper because I think I'm going to cut these out with oval dies and be able to fit 3 on the front of the card. And which I ended up doing, by the way. So I wish I could just like talk to you as if I'm going to be doing this. It would be so much easier. So I'm just gonna go with the flow here. So I am using the Hero Arts alcohol ink safe ink. I do like this a lot. And I didn't realize that Memento was also safe, so we may try that sometime. But I have the Hero Arts, and I'm going to be using it up. I even think I bought a re-inker, to be honest with you. So I have a lot of things to stamp. And Christmas cards are coming, so we'll be stamping lots of things. And I'm using my pretty little pressure tool that I got on Etsy. And that link is below as always. So I am doing these, I'm stamping them twice because I want that black just a little deeper. I wish there was a way I could have done it more to get those black lines deeper, but then you lose the detail on their antennas and stuff, and I didn't want them too thick. I have 2 sets of these stamps. I ordered 2 by mistake. But that's okay because they're going to get used a lot. And I have the cute little bee sentiments that go with them. So I could be making a lot of bee cards. And there's a lot of people out there that love bees. We have a lot of people here in our area that like bee-related things. They're cute though. So there is a part in this video where I swung my camera to the side while I was doing something and I forgot to swing it back. So you'll see when we get there. That's kind of where I put the card together, but you can still see it in the corner. I left it in there just so you could get the gist of how I put it together. These are the only colors I'm using, but let's color. So you can see here where I had my camera to the side. Boo. But I'm just putting a little honeycomb overlayer on a black base. And I did put the little bees on these little oval cutouts. Just one layer. And I'm going to stagger them on the front of the card, and you'll see that part, I believe. And then I'll be adding some little sparkles to this to zhuzh it up a little bit. I am using foam tape on these just to pop them up a little bit. These bees are so stinking cute. Their little facial expressions are adorable. So I wish I could fit more than 3 on a card, but I did put one on the inside of this card. When I finished it, you won't see it until the final picture. I love these jemmies that I got here. There's like 3 different colors in here. You gotta be careful when you're pulling, because like that one right there, it was too light that I pulled, so I'll end up picking that one off. And I just put a few, and it's like, it needs more. I try not to go overboard with this stuff, but sometimes I just feel like it needs just a little bit more. But they're cute. So I'm happy with it right there, and then I'm like, no, I think it needs a little more. I was uneven, so I had to be, or I was even, I had to be uneven. I love that little bee in the middle. He's adorable. But that's it, guys. Simple little card. Want to show you the inside. The little bee's not on there. And there's the bonus card that I made earlier today. Just to get a feel of these bees. I'm going to stamp the back here. And that's going to be it for this card. On the final picture, you will see the little bee that I added on the inside. These cards will both be available in my Etsy shop. But thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.